How to see channel members in Telegram. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see channel members in Telegram. To see the members of the Telegram channel, you will need to be an admin of that channel. Here's how you can view the members. First of all, you will need to open your Telegram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in to your account. Now once you are logged into your account, navigate to the channel where you want to see the members. Once you reach here, now tap on the channel name at the top of the screen to open the channel info. Once you do so, you will find the section Members. Here you can find the number of subscribers or the channel members as well as the admins. Here tap on this subscribers option to see the number of members of this channel. Also to view the admin of this channel, you can tap on this administrators and then there you will find the admin of that channel. Also note that regular members cannot view the list of other members in a channel. Only channel members have access to the limited member information. So in this way you can see channel members in Telegram. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.